Hello techies, I hope you guys are doing well. This is Tech House. We all are pretty much excited for the launch of Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. At this point, we pretty much know all the specs of Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. Although let's have a pretty quick look on the specs. So here are the list of the specs on Pixel 6. Like 6.4-inch of Super AMOLED display with 90 Hz of high refresh rate capable. On the display fingerprint scanner, 50 megapixel ISOCELL GN1 sensor plus ultra wide sensor, 4600 mAh of battery, and custom-made Google Tensor SoC. Similarly, on the Pixel 6 Pro, 6.7-inch of Super AMOLED display with 120 Hz of high refresh rate capable, under display fingerprint scanner, 50 megapixel ISOCELL GN1 plus ultra wide lens plus 4 times telephoto zoom. The main sensor will be same as on the Pixel 6. The main important thing is the Google Tensor SoC along with its beautiful design. This will be the first time Google will dump Snapdragon chipset and use their own custom-made chips in the Pixel 6 lineup. It's kind of like Samsung Exynos, Apple Bionic. Google Tensor SoC will be the custom made for the first time in the Pixel 6 lineup. It will be more power efficient than the last year Pixel 5. Let's see how much improvement we'll see in the Pixel 6 lineup and how this is gonna compete with the flagship of. If you enjoyed watching this video, drop us thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment down what topics should I cover in the upcoming videos. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. I'll see you around. Peace.